Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexia Lee and it's your very first time here. So today I have something for you guys. I have an Amazon product. It is called the Halo. I got this probably like a couple weeks ago, but I wanted to do the unboxing and things like that with you guys. Now this hasn't been released yet, but I did get the early access and I applied for it, and then I was one of the ones that got it, so I want to test this out. With this, basically, well, let's start off. I have the color rose gold and with the like rose gold strap, and then you know, I'm an Apple person, so I usually have my Apple Watch, so I'm going to kind of compare these two. But before we go ahead and jump into this video, I'm asking you guys to subscribe to my channel. Also, turn on your post notifications so you know when I post a new video. And then let's go ahead and get started. Also, I'm going to kind of be not posting as much, but I'm still going to try to at least get one video out a week. I'm going to be doing another travel assignment with nursing, so my time is kind of beat with that, so I won't have all my equipment. But again, y'all, send me different things so I can still produce content for you guys, something that you like to see. So let's go ahead and get started. Again, so this is the Halo. It does come with the band. I'm going to kind of walk through setting up this product. Let's see, so on the back it says it does labs. Basically it helps you look, sleep, and feel your best, which we all can use. The sleeping, like I said, it goes with your tone of voice. It really tracks your activity with intensity, so just basically not counting steps. So it does like +2, +1, and like -1 if you are just sitting and basically like you need to get up. Also, it comes with a 6-month Halo membership, and then I think you pay for like $3 a month to continue all these different features. So let's go ahead and open this. I'm so excited for this one, you guys. See if I really like this compared to my Apple Watch. Would I discontinue my Apple Watch? So let's see. Also, one thing about this is how it looks in the box when you open it. And then it's like a cloth strap. So then it's like this. I got the size small, but this is how it looks. So it comes like this. So we're going to go ahead and take off this little tab. And goodbye, Apple Watch. I'm pretty sure I'll still come back to it. So one thing about this, once you put this on, it says they didn't want it to have a screen on it because it will be less distracting, because you know we're always checking our Apple Watches, and then it just kind of, you keep up with your notifications and things like that, text messages. So this just kind of goes like this, and this is how it looks. And then that gold hardware is basically just flush to my skin, so I did get the right size. This is just some instruction manuals for this. So I didn't get to read this yet, but I will because I'm unboxing it. But things like this. And then it comes with the charger in the box. And then the charger, I was looking at it, it's like this, like a little clip. So it's like this. So I thought that was pretty cool. And then you put your little device like right down here. And then you plug it up and it has a USB. So I thought that concept was pretty cool. So we're going to prepare the band, and I'm going to kind of be showing you like some screenshots and stuff, like how to set up this thing to get it working. And then to prepare the band, let's see. So they want us to plug it in the charger. I have my phone so I can kind of see what to do. But you plug in the charger. Let's see. You place the clip with the button facing out. So we line the red connection points, and then it should blink white, blinking in a few seconds. So let us know to get paired. So let's do that and see how easy this is. Because you know, with the Apple Watch, it's just with a click of a button. So let's see if this is a click of a button. I'm excited to try this out. I use I use my Apple Watch for obviously I really don't use it for fitness. I use it for really communication while I'm at work or anything. If I need to see anything, it just comes straight to my watch, and that's handy. So a fitness tracker to basically help me get more into shape, I would like that. So basically we're going to make sure this, let's see, these red dots right here, we're going to make sure these go to the charger, which is right here. Did I have it upside down? Yes. So this goes right here. So we're going to place that right there. And I'll be right back. Let me get a charger block to plug this up so I can keep this right here. So don't go anywhere. Okay, so I have my charger now, and let's go ahead and do that. So it does have a white blinking, oh, I can't really see it because of my thing, but it does have that white blinking now. So now we can go ahead and press next. It's kind of hard because my little cord is a little short and then my outlet is right there, but I'm just kind of talking you through it. So it says that your band pairs with your smartphone automatically with the Halo app, and then it can take up to 1 minute. So let's see. If you already paired your band, it's not pairing by choosing forget. There it is. So we're going to select an accessory, and that is that one. I will be doing screen recording so you guys can really see. So my band is connected. That was so easy. So basically it says my band includes a free 6-month Halo membership, and then it will automatically renew, and then I can cancel it if I want to. So then I'll just update later. And I want to allow notifications. I'm going to put it on my left hand.
Here are some features to get the most out of your Halo experience. Tone analyzes qualities of your voice, like energy and positivity throughout the day. This helps you understand how you might be perceived by others.
So I guess I'll just kind of let y'all listen to this. Just momentarily.
A daily summary lets you discover trends in the way you communicate with friends, family, and coworkers. And knowing how you sound helps you make choices that keep your relationship strong. Body composition uses your smartphone's camera to analyze your body fat percentage. A better measure of health than a scale alone. A personalized 3D model helps you track changes over time. Activity score measures not only steps and sedentary time, but also the intensity of the activities themselves. After all, shouldn't taking stairs 2 at a time count more than 1? Sleep score helps you understand the quantity and quality of your sleep. It looks at things like how long it takes you to doze off, or how often you wake up in the middle of the night. Simple challenges and experiments help you find new ways to feel your best, like seeing if less alcohol means less snoring, or if sunlight helps kickstart your day.
Okay, so I just kind of wanted to just kind of show you an eye-opener, like what it is about. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on, and then while I'm putting this on, I'm kind of letting you guys look at the, I guess how their tracking board looks. So I'm going to put this on. The one thing I was really excited for about this is about the sleeping, to see how I really sleep, if I'm really getting the right amount of sleep for me. So as you can see, it has the activity, it has the sleep, the tone, and then the body, how it measures and track your body fat percentage. I feel like this is more kind of like up to date with like really breaking down your health. So I see it has like ready to sweat. I know it is like swim proof, so that is good if you wanted to exercise within the pool. So different things like that. So I think I would like this device. I'm not too sure about how everything is set up, but I do think I would probably can use this, can adapt to it. One thing they did say, like I mentioned before, that, you know, this is basically like a healthy alternative to really get into shape. That's what Amazon, that's what they really wanted. And then also they wanted it to be non-distracting by not having the notifications in the screen. So that is why it looks like this. They do have different bands and stuff that goes with it as well. They're on Amazon too, like if you wanted like silicone or things like that, the sports bands. I think they retail from anywhere like $15 or so you can go check that out. I'll be sure to link the direct link for it. Right now, if you get the early access, it's $64.99 plus tax, but originally it's $99 plus tax, so you are saving a little bit of money just to kind of get the early. So if you think you will like this product, then go ahead and get it. Like I said, it's almost Christmas time, and if you need things or want to get into shape for the new year, because those are always usually our New Year's resolutions, so you can do that. But I will kind of go back and forth. I'll probably try this for like the next week or so, just strictly using this. I won't use my Apple Watch, and then I'll kind of tell you guys my thoughts are. I will do a follow-up video just to kind of show you guys what I think of it. So guys, this pretty much sums up today's video. Hope you kind of enjoyed the content that I have given you. I haven't seen really so much content on this Amazon Halo, so that's why I kind of did the video for you guys. But be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Be sure to kind of keep up with this. So I will be posting a follow-up video. And then I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.